Hello again. Today I'm doing my second lot of potatoes that I planted earlier on the day. John, stop it. So I'm going to tip them out into the wheelbarrow. Here's a nice juicy worm. Come on, get you out. Yeah, nice worm. Just chuck him into the garden bed. Right, my first potato, really tiny one. Tiny one. Just a bit bigger. These are different to the ones that I sold earlier, but I don't know what they are because I can't remember which is which because I've lost the labels. So it's a good size one. That's my seed potato that's rotted down. Let's get rid of that. I've got some baby ones. These are better size than the ones I had earlier. Little one. There's all these little baby ones on the plants that's not developed. So if I left it longer, they might have developed into potatoes. See another worm? Shaking the plant, they're just falling off. Got some diddy baby ones. There's another worm. Got lots of baby ones on this one. It's a good size one there. Does that look like more than what we got before? No, but that's only 2 plants. Decent sized potatoes there. That's the seed one, just get rid of that. We got some bigger ones than last time. So the last one. Don't know. I don't know if there's them. The last potato, I think you only got one from there. Just checking there's no more potatoes, okay? Oh, another one. That's all of it. There you go. I'm going to now go and weigh them. Come and have a look. It's £1 and 3/8 ounces, and the one we had before was £1 7 3/8 ounces. So this one's an ounce heavier. Right, I'm gonna go now. Bye. See you later.